Dear students, as we have already discussed the differential calculus, now today we are going to discuss about a very important application of differential calculus, how to find the limit of the function by using L'Hospital's rule. So let us look what is the L'Hospital's rule. Uh, if you go in the history, then it is there. The term was this L'Hospital rule. This term was originally introduced by Cauchy, student Maginot, in the middle of the 19th century. Okay, so he has used the first time this term L'Hospital's rule. He was the student of the Cauchy. Uh, if you talk about the indeterminate form, then it is necessary to understand what do you mean by indeterminate form. In calculus, uh, other and other branches of mathematical analysis, limits involving an algebraic combination of functions in an independent variable may often be evaluated by replacing these functions by their limit. Okay, and limit itself, you know, whenever we are having the function of the type this x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2, then the people or mathematicians, scientists of that time, they were helpless to find the value at f of 2. Okay, if I write here x square, the function x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2, and I want what should be the value at x is equal to 2. Okay, at x is equal to 2 means f of 2. If you want to find f of 2, then the scientists at that time, they were helpless because the form is 0 by 0. So at that time it was already necessary to discuss about, and then they discuss about the limit, and now we are talking about the various form of that 0 by 0. Okay, so if the expression obtained after this substitution, this does not give enough information to determine the original limit, it is said to take an indeterminate. तो उस फॉर्म को हम क्या कहते हैं, इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म कहते हैं. ओके, जब हमारे पास ये फंक्शन था और हम लोग हेल्पलेस थे कि इसकी वैल्यू हम 2 पर नहीं निकाल सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि 0 बाई 0 है तो इसकी कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. आज तक इसको हम परिभाषित नहीं कर सके कि इफ देयर इज नो सिग्निफिकेंस क्वांटिटी, तो इफ एनी नॉन सिग्निफिकेंस क्वांटिटी, हाउ दैट कैन डिवाइड एनी अदर नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट क्वांटिटी. तो इसकी डिफिनेशन नहीं बन पाई अब तक. तो हम लोग इसके जितने भी सीरीज हैं, जितने भी फॉर्म्स हैं, उनको हम 0 बाई 0 फॉर्म में पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, दीज ऑल द फॉर्म्स आर नोन एज इनडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म. अब वो कौन कौन से हैं कि इफ ए फंक्शन एफ एक्स टेक्स द फॉर्म 0 बाई 0 एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए, then we say that fx is indeterminate at x is equal to. Other indeterminate forms are, अब ये सारे के सारे indeterminate form है. You have to remember infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 1 power infinity, 0 power 0, and infinity power 0. All these forms are interconnected, and this is the main form, main fundamental form you can say, that is 0 by 0. तो इनको जब भी इसकी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम क्या पाते हैं, हम इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं किसमें, 0 बाई 0 में. ऑल दीज फॉर्म्स, इन सारे फॉर्म को हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं किसमें, 0 बाई 0. अगर 0 बाई 0 मैथमेटिकल एनालिसिस करके, कैलकुलेशन करके हम कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं 0 बाई 0 में. Okay. Now, what is the rule itself? Okay, if phi x and xi x are functions of x such that phi at a is 0 and psi at a is 0, limiting point इस पर अगर a पर क्या है, 0 है, then limit x tends to a phi x by xi x is equal to limit x tends to a phi dash x. Okay, this is dash is here, dash phi dash x divided by xi dash x. This dash means derivative, differential coefficient of phi x, the differential coefficient of phi x divided by differential coefficient of xi x. Okay, so this is divided by differential coefficient of xi x. Okay, तो phi x and differential coefficient of xi x, इनका क्या ले लेते हैं हम, डेरिवेटिव ले लेते हैं, and again we will check the derivative. I have not written here. Again we will check the derivative. If the 0 by 0 form is consistent, then you will go the further derivative, means the second order derivative. Okay, and this process will continue until you have the non-zero. Okay, so non-zero by 0 form. So while applying L'Hospital rule, what is important? We are not to differentiate phi x by xi x. ये याद रखना होगा. कुछ बच्चे जो हमेशा याद रखते हैं कि जैसे वो न्यूमरेटर बाई डिनोमिनेटर को करते हैं डिफरेंशिएशन, वैसे वो करने लगते हैं. दैट इज रॉन्ग. कि बाई the rule for finding the differential coefficient of the quotient of the two functions. But we are to determine, you have to remember, we are to differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. So this is very important to remember कि we have to differentiate separately. ठीक है, इन सबको हम अलग अलग ही करते रहेंगे. अब once again I am repeating कि अगर 0 by 0 फॉर्म फिर से मिलता है एक बार के डिफरेंशिएशन में, तो आप उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. So this also the L'Hospital rule says कि डिसकंटिन्यू कहाँ करना है, जब नॉन जीरो आ जाते हैं, 0 by 0 नहीं है. Okay, so now if you go, as I said, कि the more fundamental form is 0 by 0. What is the rule? Check whether the limit it an indeterminate form. If it is not, then we cannot apply L'Hospital's rule. Differentiate fx and gx separately if that is written in fx and phi x, or fx and gx, or phi x and xi x. If g dash a, if you are writing in this form, and if g dash a is non-zero, as I was talking, then the limit will exist. It may be finite, plus infinity or minus infinity. If g dash a is 0, then follow again the similar procedure. Differentiate f dash x and g dash x separately. Means rule 4 means this. Again I said the second derivative you can find out. Okay, means you have to find out f double dash and g double dash. You may find out in that case. Continue the process till required values a is reached. जो भी आपको desired है, अगर जब तक नहीं मिलता है तब तक you can continue. Okay, this is also from the experience I have collected here. Whenever you discuss the limit and L'Hospital rule, you must remember these important expansions. As a science and engineering student, it is always, it should be remembered at UG level at least. All these, and this should be remembered very easily. The series you can remember. Sin x is x minus x by factorial 3 plus x power 5 by factorial 5. How you can remember? All the odd, first is plus and then minus. All the odd, minus and plus, you can say. All the odd, first is plus and second is minus, means this plus is here. Okay, and this minus is here. So this is the significance and how you can remember. Similarly, hyperbolic x, this is also very important series. This is plus only. The x plus x cube by factorial 3 plus x power 5 by factorial 5, odd. Okay, so here also this is odd, but what is the difference? Difference is here plus plus, in hyperbolic plus plus. Okay, similarly cosine x 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x power 4 by factorial 4, this is even plus minus. Okay, cos hyperbolic x 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x power 4 by factorial 4, even plus plus. Tan x, x plus x cube by 3 plus 2x power 5 by 15, and so on. There is no symmetry. And e power x is equal to 1 plus x. This is very important series in mathematics, exponential series. 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3, and so on. Means all the term is positive, plus plus. E power minus x is 1 minus x plus x square by factorial 2 minus x cube by factorial 3. All the term is plus and minus alternate. Note, in sin x, cos x, tan x, x is measured in radian in the above example. So you have to remember this. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.